Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So now we are going to learn about relative refractive index. Relative refractive index. So relative refractive index can be denoted by N21 or N12. It can also be written as a like that. So N12, N21 can in some other syllabus may be written like that. But what is the relative refractive index? But in the previous videos, we explained clearly what is the medium of light, what is the denser medium, what is the rarer medium, and also what is the refractive index. So now what is the relative refractive index in this topic? We are going to explain relative refractive index. So relative refractive index simply comparing refractive index of one medium of light with the refractive index of another medium and saying how many times higher one medium with another one and how many times lower one medium with another one. So like that we can explain relative refractive index. For example, so it is the interface which is separating both media, that is medium 1 and medium 2. The speed of light in the medium 1 v1 and the speed of light in the medium 2 is v2, and refractive index of this one is n2 and this one is n1. So you may take this one as a medium 1 and medium 2. The speed of light here v1 and v2, it is the interface and these are the normals drawn to the interface. So now the ratio between speed of light in medium 1 m1. So here medium 1, that is speed of light is a v1 in the medium 1 and speed of light v2 in medium 2, so is called relative refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. It can be written as n21. So 2 is written first. That is why it is a relative refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. So this is given as ratio between speed of light in the medium 1 v1 and also speed of light in the medium 2 v2. So n21 is equals to v1 by v2. Similarly, so what is the relative refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2? So relative refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2 can be written as n12, which is equal to v2 by v1. This is, so here we are comparing the refractive index of medium 2 with medium 1, and here we are comparing the refractive index of medium 1 with medium 2. So then it will be n21 is equals to v1 by v2 and also n12 is equals to v2 by v1. So this is also equal to ratio between refractive index of second medium and refractive index of first medium, that is n2 by n1. It is also equal to refractive index of first medium and refractive index of second medium. So now how can we prove this one? This is equal to this one. So how can we prove? And what is the relation between n21 and n12? So students, once again, relative refractive index is nothing but the ratio between speed of light v1 in the medium 1 and the speed of light v2 in the medium 2 is called relative refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. It is denoted by n21, which is equal to v1 by v2. So now we want to prove that n21 is equals to n2 by n1. How can we prove n2 by n1 is equals to n21? 2 is the second medium, 1 is the first medium and second medium. So we want to show that n21 is equals to n2 by n1. This is we want to prove. We want to show that n21 is equals to n2 by n1, students. That is relative refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is the ratio between refractive index of the second medium n2 and refractive index of the first medium n1 now. So we know that refractive index n is c by v, but in the previous videos it was explained clearly. So refractive index of for given medium of light n is given as c by v, where c is the speed of light in vacuum and v is a given medium, in the given medium speed of light. So the ratio between speed of light in the vacuum and speed of light in the given medium is equal to refractive index of that given medium. So n is equals to c by v. So n, we are writing n as n by 1 is equals to c by v. N by 1 also equal to n, students. For our convenience, we are writing n as n by 1. So now this implies we are reversing n by 1 as 1 by n. Then on the right side of equal sign it will be reversed to v by c. So now we are applying this formula for medium 1. So you know for medium 1 refractive index is n1 and the speed of light in the medium 1 is v1 and c is a constant. Equation 1. And for medium 2, 1 by n2, refractive index for medium 2 is n2 and the speed of light in the medium 2 is v2 and c is a constant. So now we also know that from the definition of relative refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium, n21 is given as v1 upon v2 or v1 by v2. Now so v1, we are dividing v1 with c and v2 with c. So this implies n21 is equals to v1 by c and v2 by c. v1 is divided with c, v2 is divided with c. So now from equation 1 and 2, students, this implies n21 is equals to v1 by c means what we can write 1 by n1. v2 by c means we can write 1 by n2. This implies n21 is equals to 1 by n1 into n2 by n1. So this implies n21 is equals to n2 by n1. So which is also equal to v1 by v2 from its definition. So this is, so relative refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium can be written as n21 is equals to v1 by v2, which is also equal to n2 by n1. Similarly, we can write relative refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium can be written as n1 by n2 is equals to v2 by v1. So this is also applicable. So to find the relative refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium, that is relative refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium, so can be written as n12 is equals to n1 by n2 is equals to v2 by v1. So now what is the relation between n21 and n12 with an example problem? So what is the relation between what is the relation between what is the relation between n21 and n12 students? So we know that just now we proved n21 is equals to n2 by n1 and n12 is equals to n1 by n2. It is equation 1 consider. So relative refractive index of the second medium with respect to first medium is given as n21 is equals to n2 by n1. Similarly, relative refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium can be written as n12 is equals to n1 by n2 students. So now this is we are using now n21 is written as n2 by n1, which is also equal to n2 by n1. So for our understanding purpose, n21 is written as n2 by n1 because n2 1 by 1 also equal to n21. A can be written as a by 1. A is written as a by 1. A by 1 means a. So n is written as n by 1. So similarly, n21 can be written as n21 by 1 students. So for our purpose it is written. So now we are reversing this denominator and numerator on both sides. That is 1 by n21 is equals to, we have written n1 by n2. n21 by 1 is written as 1 by n21. That is both denominator and numerator is written as reversed. And then right side will be reversed from equation 1. So from equation 1, n1 by n2, 1 by n21 is equals to, this will be equal to n12, or it can be n21 is equals to 1 by n12. So this is the relation between relative refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium and relative refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. So 1 by n21 is equals to n12, 1 by n12 is equals to n21 children. So now we are taking one example on this topic, example of problem. Example problem. Relative refractive index of glass with respect to water is 9 by 8. Now what is the relative refractive index of water with respect to glass? So you know glass is on medium and water is also medium. So now glass to water, suppose relative refractive index of glass with respect to water is taken as n to 1, that is 9 by 8 is given. Now we want to find relative refractive index of water with respect to glass, that is n12. So just now we derived the formula relation between these two. n12 is equals to 1 by n21. This implies n12 is equals to 1 by 9 by 8. Then n12 is equals to 8 by 9. So this is, so the way of finding relative refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. So and relative refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium with respect to first medium. So that's all this topic, students. You may have understood better. Thank you for watching this physics class. So don't forget subscribing and sharing this one. Thank you.